Friends, welcome back to the class. The other day we discussed Road Not Taken is a poem composed by Robert Frost, and it's a symbolic poem in which every word has a symbolic different meaning than its real appearance. Before we read anything about the poem, let's think more about the life of its poet, that's Robert Frost. Many of the critics have an opinion that Road Not Taken is a semi-autobiographical poem. You might be very aware about the two terms, autobiography and biography. Biography is a written account of a person by somebody else. And what is autobiography? An autobiography is a written account of a person by himself or herself. So semi-autobiographical means we can call that it's a half, partially it is an autobiographical poem. We should know the life of Robert Frost before we should go through the poem. Robert Frost, as we know that as a celebrated American poet, he was born in America, San Francisco. He was born in, and he was born to a middle class family, and after his death of his father, his all his family responsibilities fell on his shoulder, and Robert Frost found it very difficult to lead his life, find his both endings smoothly in America. And in the meantime, he wanted to take up this writing as a serious profession, and he wanted to earn money through these writings. In the meantime, he appeared in many more other works also. He sometimes worked as a tuition teacher, sometimes he worked in a farm. So different occupations he tried, but everywhere he was failure. In the meantime, he attended one or two universities also, but he could not complete his degree also because of his personal issues, because of his private reasons there. In the meantime, once before 1912, Robert Frost submitted his collection of poetry to many of the American publishers, but they rejected his poetry. So he thought of settling down in England. So with his family in 1912, he shifted to England, and he resubmitted his collection of poetry. And unlike the American publishers, the publishers in Britain, publishers in Great Britain, publishers in England accepted his writings, and he got name and fame in England in no time. He emerged as a good poet in no time in Britain. After emerging his popularity in Great Britain, he returned to America, and he continued to write his poems in American language, in American English also, and there also he became very popular. So this story, The Road Not Taken, as we discussed about, The Road Not Taken is a poem that discusses about the choices. So here we can see that Robert Frost, at the juncture of his life, at a crucial moment of his life, when he had to take a decision that either to stay in America and struggle with his real life, struggle with his life, day-to-day life, with his family life, or to select the second way and go to England and get his successor there. So there is a dilemma, and that particular diversion can be called as the two roads of Robert Frost's life. He of course had some doubts in his mind whether to continue or to go to on the other hand, there is a second opinion also that regarding the life of Robert Frost, that has got some autobiographical connection with this poem. That is, the first road is the poetry branch that represents the materialism, and second road is the poetry branch that supports the spiritualism. So many people those days followed the way of materialism. Materialism means bhautikvad. Many poets went on that route, and it had given them immense, and it had given them sudden success. On the other hand, spirituality was such a way where not many people had gone through. So the first way was almost easy to walk, and many success could be immediate success could be seen there. Since we are standing at a deviation point there, you cannot see that it's a long-lasting result there. You can see some of the sudden result only. So, but Robert Frost selected not the road that is taken by many people, but he selected the road that was for spirituality, and he wrote his poems there. In the initial days, he did not get much popularity, but later on he went on to the path of fame and name. So these two incidents, two principles we can bring into this poetry, and let us thus tangle the life of, let us meet the life of, thread the life of Robert Frost with that of the poem The Road Not Taken. In these two ways, poet's life is very much associated with the poem Road Not Taken. That's why it's said Robert this Road Not Taken is a semi-autobiographical poem composed by Robert Frost. We will continue the class in the next class.